How to fully recover a hacked Facebook account
Welcome back to the
too.
channel. Today I'm here to show you how to recover a hacked Facebook account. So if your Facebook account has been hacked, there are three things that has been done. The person made you to click a link, you entered and you signed in, and they captured your email and password. They signed in, then they made a way to either chat with you on Messenger or give you a call or something to get your OTP when they were trying to enter. Without you knowing they were entering, you gave the OTP to them, then they logged in successfully. Immediately they logged in, they now go and change your password. Immediately they change your password, they know you can reset it. They now go and change your telephone number so that you no longer get OTP. Immediately they change your telephone number and your password, they change your email. When this happens, the hacker has taken total control over your Facebook account. So a hacker from Nigeria hacked a girl in my church and were able to bust him out and get the account back. So I'm going to show you how I did it so that you can do it for yourself. When your account is hacked and you can't log in, you can't reset, just go to www.facebook.com/hacked. It will make you to report your account, and temporarily Facebook will shut the person from using your account to chat people. So this guy was using the girl's account to be chatting people and taking money, pretending they are in love with her, not knowing it's a guy behind from Nigeria, but he's been busted. So once you go to facebook.com/hacked, you are able to report your account that it has been hacked. Then Facebook will take you through a process whereby you can recover your account. Make sure you can remember your date of birth you used to log in and create that Facebook account. Then follow the steps. Once you are able to recover your account, you now have to go through the process of removing the hacker's account, the hacker's number, and changing your password. The first you can do is to change the password. Now you have to remove his telephone number, and finally you have to remove his email. If you are not technical enough to do this, then you may have to contact me for me to do it for you. So quickly, this is how to get your Facebook account back and you are back to go. Simple video, right? Try it. Give me your feedback and I'll show you more. Bye.